Hey everyone. In this quick video, we're going to have a look at how you can create your Google Gemini API keys. So let's get started. So the first thing first, you need to go to aistudio.google.com. So this is the one where you want to go, aistudio.google.com. Now, since I'm already logged in, it actually takes me directly to the dashboard. So if you are logging in for the first time, so you will see something like this. And from this page on the top right, you will see an option which says get started. So make sure you click on get started and it will simply ask you to log in with your Google account. Now, one thing, if you're using your work email or college email, just have a quick check that whether that email has sufficient permissions or not. Else, make sure that you're using your personal account. Sometimes you might have to ask your admin to provide sufficient permissions, but if you use a personal account, there should not be any issues. Now, after you log in, you will see a dashboard something similar to this. The main important thing you want to keep an eye on is the panel on the left. So on the left panel, you will see this playground, build, dashboard, documentation. Where we need to go is get API key. This is where we need to go. So simply click on get API key and you can either copy this key or if you want to create a new API key, you can simply click on create API key and you can give a name to your API key. So agentic AI session, something like that. And you can either choose the default project, the default Gemini project, or you can also create a new project. So that way, if you already have a project on the Google platform, so you can create a new, you can use that project as well. You can import it and just simply click on create key. So you can import a project in your Google platform, you can create a new project, or you can simply choose the default one. I'm going to stick with the default one over here, create key, and your Gemini API key is now ready. So there you go, agentic AI session, and here is my API key. Now make sure you save your API key on a notepad. So you can simply just mention Gemini API key and just paste it and have it stored in the notepad so that you have it during your agentic AI session.